Alrighty, y'all, it's Jared with Barefoot Outdoors, and we're out here on the Barefoot Express today. It's Friday morning. Not even. I guess it is. It's 12:35 in the morning. We're heading out on the Freeman to the other side. It's Good Friday. We're heading out to the other side. We're gonna head out to the buoy. We got a whole bunch of pilchards. Every live well in this boat's full. We're gonna tum them to the surface. Hopefully we'll be able to get in the water. So here we go. Got everybody and their mother on board. Let's ride. Alrighty, y'all, take a look at what's inside these live wells. We got probably about 600 in here. Nah, they ain't gonna be dead. We got a good circulation going in these live wells right now. We got this one full, this one full. There's one up under there full. There's another one right here full. And if this stuff that I'm talking about just so happens to not work, the buoys. Got these LPs. We're about to ride out. We'll see what we got coming. Actually, the fish will see what they got coming for them because they don't know how we slay. We slay them, we lay them out, we fillet them, baby. Let's get them. Alright, y'all, we almost out here to the buoy. We're a little over 100 miles out here. It's a little sporty. We got lightning and thunder. It's like 3 to 4. Not terrible. So we're about to get on it. Almost there, y'all. What's up, guys? We're already out here to the buoy. The buoy's right there. You can barely see it. Oh, there it is. We got some fishing all around us. We got Sam Wardner hooked up with a... Oh! Tuna got sharked. Damn, he just literally... Did you just vertical jig that? Alrighty, guys, while we got some people vertical jigging, we're gonna try our luck in live baiting out here at the buoy. We got probably about 1,200 pilchards with us. Watch and learn, dropping them on the 50s.
We haven't put a dent in them. Huh? We haven't put a dent in them.
And we're hooked up on the first tuna of the trip here at 4:35 in the morning. Alright, y'all, Mr. Dan hooked up on a nicer fish right here. Dropped the filter down, got whacked. Look at his screen.
On the bow.
That's what I'm talking
about. I got one up on the bow already.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
What's it? Did you tie a leader up or did you straight tie? Go straight with it. Bring the boat down.
Nice fish. That's a tuna.
The peanut gallery is just a blast. Alright.
Two hook up, two hook up, two hook up.
Alright, hold it.
Yes, sir.
Got it. There you go. There he goes.
Screaming. Get him, Mr. Winters.
Such a beauty.
We got another one behind us that's close to the surface. Here we go, guys. Big ol' yo! Yo! Get him, get him, get him, get him! Woo! Big tuna in the boat! Big tuna in the boat! Oh! That's what I'm talking about! Is that the first tuna? It is, man. First tuna! Woo! Woo!
Yeah, baby.
You're gonna have to stab him. You're familiar with that. Don't slice your hand, homie.
Be careful.
He said, I'm sure you're familiar with that. That's how you call them right there, y'all.
Yeah. Sharks are cut off.
No, I think it's broke off. We're on them hard.
Well, y'all, we stayed for about another hour, but we had to get running from this storm. Watch how gnarly this storm is, y'all. 47 Freeman ride out. When you're about 140, 150 miles offshore, you don't want to be caught in these electrical storms. After about a solid 2 to 3 hours of running from these storms, we finally got back into fishing. We went back to the buoy. And we're getting knocked down right here by a school dolphin. Let's get it, y'all.
Alright, we're hooked up with the big bull. We just landed the 2 or 3 cows that was with it. We got a big one on the line right now. Keep reeling.
Don't turn your head out of the water. Get him in, get him in, get him in. Yeah, baby!
What a dolphin.
Heck yeah. Oh, look what he spit up. A banana peel. Yeah, right.
He spit up.
Come on, Mark, hurry up.
Hey, get a picture real quick.
That's how we do it. Put it up your ear like you're calling.
Mark Simpson.
Alrighty, y'all. Buoy. Just put 3 dolphin in the boat. Let's get a beat down going right here. Coming back through the birds. Bunch of big tuna busting up here. Look at that, guys. We got the pack of birds and the buoy. We got the buoy to ourselves today along with one other boat that came out here with us. Just breaking them in, y'all. Fish after fish after fish after fish after fish. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Tanner's hooked up with a nice fat one. Little bit of head shake action, a little bit of reel screaming action. Nope. Nice, baby! Nice! Nice shot, Wyatt. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, Tanner with the freaking kill, baby.
It's always important to bleed these fish before putting them in the ice box. Don't let them sit in the water, they get waterlogged.
Yeah.
Boom, baby. Time to throw some liveys out again. Let's get it, y'all. Jumping again for another one. Live bait, baby. Live bait. Chum them. Kill them. We got 3. We got 3 hooked up. We got one right here, one's in the boat, and another one back here.
Oh, they're right down there. Look at that tuna right there.
Get another line. Oh, yeah, get a line in there. Come on, David. Damn it, Dave. Sorry, brother.
I got a gaff.
Come on, pull that fish in.
That was a good paddle though, buddy.
Hey, when we start moving towards the boom. Yeah, you got a gaff? Jacobs, you got a gaff?
We're hooked up again. We got one on the back right here and one up back up front. We hooked up again.
What he said?
Put your purse into it, homie. You're welcome. I did that for you. Look at that. Don't jay it. You know what I mean by that, right? You want to keep your rod tip like right there. The spine, keep it right there. Crank down on now. There you go. Tanner, you're doing great, brother. He's working your ass.
Oh yeah. You got color yet?
Nope. Neither one of them do. Guys, he's hooked up. He's hooked up. We got some monster tuna coming. Right there. That's how we do it out here. We're barefoot outdoors, baby.
Get that in.
Danny's fish is coming up to the surface quick.
Just put it out there for now. Let it sit. That's what I did with Danny's, and his started screaming.
Man, I would say jump in the water and freaking stick that thing.
Start sticking off the back.
Well, give me the word. It might make you take off.
Nice fish.
There you go. Beautiful job. Woo! There you go, dude. Hell yeah. There you go.
Nice fish, brother.
If he's streaming line, he's a bigger fish. If he's streaming line, he's damn sure. That's what I want to do. You back to drag on.
I got the dragging leader on a spinner.
Need to put one of those game cameras that takes pictures of your bones on the buoy so you know when it's really flat.
Barefoot outdoors.
That's all I can say. You can get live readings of the buoy.
Yeah, nice freaking fish on here.
Got my little 20 rod.
You really be able to see when it's flat.
Yeah. Well, we were free lining this sucker for like 30 minutes.
Oh, this one's already rigged. Why did I even do that?
Any color yet? Nope.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, brother.
And right there, we are exploring it today. Thank you, Mr. Mitch. And it's a beautiful day, and we got the buoy right there to that boat and us. And we are slaying them today, y'all. We got the cooler's full. That boat ran out of cooler room. We're still catching them. We ain't got a limit. We got, what, 33 tuna limit. Free for fishing. We just got a lot of people on the boat. And we've been doing that. We're about to slam, lay them out, and fillet them, baby. Woo!
Coming back around the same patch of birds. We saw some bigger fish jump, so we're gonna see if we can get on to them. We're on the way home, ran into this nice big old pack of birds. Didn't see any on Monday, so it's nice to see today on Friday. We need some big tunas in the boat, y'all. Come on.
It's on right there. That's the big one. That's the front line. Don't know which you're going to hit that one. There it is. There it is. All three. Shotgun, shotgun. Fuck out of here. Hey, right there, man. doing this, guys. Sam?
All the way across, neutral.
This is how Barefoot Outdoors does it. Absolute chaos when it comes to tuna fishing, y'all. Here comes Sam's fish. Look at that one. Woo! Tickles, baby. What? He's up. Hey. Yeah. Come on, brother. Yours coming up next? Nope. Come on, Sam. Reel. Reel. Sam, you look like a good ass. Yeah. It's hard to handle this rod without a belt. It is. Big time. Get him. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Dave Winter, he's got a nice fish. Sam's got a real nice fish. What's up, guys? Wyatt's got a nice fish. Tanner, get Wyatt. Get him. That's your best shot right there. Woo! Another one, baby! All right. Another one! Another one! Come on, Tanner! Keep reeling. Keep reeling, Sam. Get it, ready. Ready? Get him, Tanner. Get him, Tanner. Get him. Hey. Come on, Tanner. Come on. Don't take that shot. You gotta take it. Ready? How you feeling, bud?
A little bit more.
Reel a little bit more.
I need a gap.
Wyatt, give me a gap. Yeah, they're all this big. They're all this big, guys. They are. Another one in the boat, y'all. Another one. Look at this, guys. And here comes another one right here. Woo! Yeah! Another gap. Right on, guys. We got 5 in the boat. 5 in the boat.
That's 6 in the boat.
Yeah, baby.
Alrighty, guys, you saw us go 5 for 6. You saw all the lines get knocked. Every single one was screaming. What a video. What a video, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see this one. Y'all stay tuned, because we're about to whip it around again and see if we get another 5 or 6. Watch this.
Like and subscribe.
You better like and subscribe to that one. That was a great one right there.
Little skipjack tuna just hit the boat.
Hey, what are we doing with this? Overboard? Wait, I need his belly.
Wyatt, go left.
I need his belly. You got that.
Look at this squid he spit up, Jared. Look at this squid.
Look at this squid, y'all. Look at this squid. Little baby squid. That's so cool.
Hey! Someone get ready with something. Gaff.
Way up front, way up front.
Give me the fish. One gaff. Got a tuna.
You gotta get a fish, Danny? Yeah, I think it's probably another, you know, like a 25-pound yellowfin. Not huge, but
He's a keeper. Coming to the side. Nice fish, nice fish. That's a little bit bigger. A little bigger. Oh my God. All right to you now, John. Reel down on him. Good deal. Nice fish! Woo! Nice one. The meat wagon straight the game. What happened? Nice. Nice fish. Look at that fat girl. Oh shit. Come on it. What a beautiful afternoon to be heading home. For this boat, it's pretty flat. Got an easy ride out. Both fish boxes are full bottom to top. We just had to get ice out of the drink coolers to supply ice to all the fish. Got so much fish. We got a lot of cleaning to do tomorrow. Y'all have no idea. Morning, y'all. Got to the house today, started cleaning some fish, cleaning the boat, walking out to the dock. Alrighty, y'all, it's Jared with Barefoot Outdoors, and we're cleaning the fish today. How many bags we got so far? That whole cooler's full. Whole cooler's full. This is full. We got all this going on. Oh yeah. Nice bottom line. Look at that, guys. Got some quality fish. Yo.
you should start making some pokey.
I should, shouldn't I?
Need to go get that.
We've only cleaned half the fish so far, guys. Half the fish. And that was half the bags right there. We gotta grab some more fish out of here. What?
You want to hand me some fish?
Alright, guys. Other half of the fish coming out right now. Look at these. Nice dolphin.
Take a picture of me over the front.
Quality meats, baby.
Ready, baby?
Got tuna steak platters coming on deck, guys. Look at this. Little steaks. Oh yeah. About to be eating good, guys. Y'all wait till you see what we got in store for you and how we cook these things. Beautiful day out today to be cleaning the boat and everything. Nice place to clean the boat and fish. Oh guys, wait till you see what we got in store. We got the duck boat coming in 2 weeks, and this thing right here, this thing's sweet, y'all. Look at the duck boat. Oh yeah, duck boat life, baby. Look at them steaks, boys. Woo!
I like.
Oh yeah. Look at them pretty steaks, guys. You gonna cook them up?
Right now, lunchtime, baby.
Lunchtime with the steaks, boys. Tuna steaks. We'll go visit that here in a second. We got the family mascot eating whatever he can off the floor. Ain't that right, buddy? Ain't that right? Little brother filleting fish. What you cutting up there?
Cutting the belly. Bones out.
He's cutting the bones out. Yep. Let's go see this. Oh yeah.
You ready to go? There you
A
go.
little butter, garlic oil.
Oh yeah. Garlic infused olive oil on them.
What? Yeah. Oh, she just brought them in a little bit ago.
Sprinkle them with some blackening seasoning.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He's whipping up some Vidalian onions. Freshly picked from a field in Georgia. Oh man, this is great, man. Look at that. Look at that. Bunch of tuna steaks. This lunch is about to be amazing, guys. Still filleting fish. Now we're cooking it all in one day. We gotta get some sushi rolls going later today. Look at that, guys. Look at them onions. We're making tuna melts, guys. We got the provolone cheese, the tuna steaks. Miss D's cutting up the tomatoes. We got onions going on there. Ooh, son. Tuna melts. What? Yeah, melt the cheese right over it. This is gonna be some freaking good lunch. Yep. Put them on the buns. This is gonna be exquisite, guys. Got the best cook in Florida right here, right behind me.
Good.
Sear them real quick.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Ooh, son. Yellowfin. That's some good stuff right there. You're gonna do one at a time?
What?
Mark, you do dinner time so people know when it's ready.
I think the nose will work. Get you some buns.
We're gonna cook some more stuff for y'all later, but y'all just seen the Simpsons cook us a tuna melt. Tonight, I'll be rolling up some sushi. This is a long video for a good reason. Y'all gotta see the process and everything we do to get these fish harvested right, to get them on these buns, or to even put them on a plate. A lot goes into it, but this is amazing. How is it, Mark?
Oh my Lord, it's the best.
Oh yeah.
That's how you have to say it when you say that word.
How is it? Look at that, guys. Oh yeah.
I guess this can all go back out there on the boat. I guess.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. We got everybody together. Family time, family and friends everywhere. It's always a good time with all these good people. They're still filleting fish though. That tuna melt, freshly filleted, freshly cooked, freshly ate. Got these boys still filleting fish. Look at this.
Perfect fillets. And they come over to the.
Where's that big knife?
Oh, fuck.
Sam, filleting tuna is crazy, isn't it?
this little spot right there. It's such a pain.
This one's the old.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Barefoot Outdoors LLC. Caught a whole mess load of fish today. Y'all even got to see how to eat them. Like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Peace.